Hello, YouTube. A polar, um, a polar vortex is expected to usher in much colder air to central and eastern U.S. into the end of January, that's for sure. Colder air is becoming reestablished in the central and eastern United States following a recent warm up. Over the next 10 to 14 days, the polar vortex will be active with the possibility of cold air dominating the weather pattern through the end of the month and into early February. For example, temperatures in Chicago are expected to swing from near average to 10 to 20 degrees below average over the next 1 to 2 weeks. The average high in Chicago's near 32 degrees, but in New York City, temperatures will range from near the historical average in the upper 30s to 5 to 10 degrees below during the same period. Due to the large rounded shape of the jet stream dip, it will be difficult for storms in the south to rapidly strengthen along the Atlantic coast and become major snowstorms. Instead, most storms will stay weak and move quickly and exit out to sea through much of next week. These waves of cold will bring clipper systems and rounds of lake effect snow, snow squalls, and flurries from the Midwest to the Northeast. Later this month and into early February, there's the potential for a more significant shift in the polar vortex. Depending on snow cover across southern Canada, the Midwest, and the interior Northeast, along with ice cover on the Great Lakes, this has the potential to bring some of the coldest air of the winter. In December, while the lakes were mostly ice free, there was an extensive snow cover across the north central and interior Northeast. On the coldest December days, temperatures in the Midwest were 20 to 30 degrees below average, and in the Northeast, temperatures were 10 to 20 degrees below average. Snow and ice cover tend to act as an insulator and lock out the warming effects of the ground and water. One way a major storm could develop would be if a roadblock in the atmosphere forms near Greenland, which can trap storms along the Atlantic coast and raise the risk of heavy snow. Well, well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you liked what you saw, click like or subscribe below.